My brother, you see, even though you lie down for ground, make people walk on top you. You get some people go still complain say no lie down flat. Yes, you can never satisfy anybody in this world. Just do wetin they make you happy. You see, my brother, never forget those words where people they tell you when they don't vex. You see, when people they vex, that word when they tell you, never forget them. That's my bill. That thing will be what in their mind to tell you since.
Continue.
You see, my brother, I have no problem if you love somebody too much. You see, love somebody from the deepest of your heart, but make sure that person is still loving you the same way you love them. Because the deeper your love, the deeper your wound. That person they call your brother from another mother go should show you why him get different mother. Remember I tell you say, as for this life, never confuse my attitude with my personality. Because my personality is who I am, but my attitude is who you are to me. Always know those different things. Yes, I hustle to make more money, but you hustle to look like you have money. Yeah, you get different ways to go.